Here's an example of using Kubernetes and Flame to run functions concurrently. So this is my configuration. So I've added a Flame pool to my application as a child, and it uses the Kubernetes backend. It's just configured kind of like the documentation says. So 0 instances, up to 10 instances running at the same time, and then a max concurrency per instance of 5. And they will shut themselves off after 30 seconds of idle. And then if we look at the function that I'm calling, it's just an asynchronous function. So I'm calling cast here, so it's fire and forget. There's no feedback. It'll just sleep that current process for 3 seconds, and it'll log. But I don't think this ever logs anywhere. So I need a way to figure out to get feedback from this. But here's an example of it running. So right now you can see that my cluster has 4 instances of the application, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then down here in the console I'm connected to one of those instances, and I'm just going to like async task a stream of 100 of those function calls. So here I'm saying for this range of 100, stream that through this function to do stuff, and then just run the stream. So if I run it once, we should see a new instance get created. We might see 2. Yeah, there's 2. And I can just kind of spam these, so that's firing them off async, and it keeps creating instances of the app just to run that function. So it's scaling up, and then they'll scale back down.